See him there?
Jesus Christ, I can't believe them, man.
See him there?
With
With a big rifle, with a big rifle side and him shoot me. And him want lean hip triple. What do your body? You lean like a wall. Big teeth. Wanna be the Americanese them. You can't chat to me. I be a Batman triple walk and fuck and have in our circle. No one can run put me. You can't shoot me. Take out gun and shoot who? You suck your mother solitary. Suck your deepest part of your mama. You're on triple. Can't argue with me, but that's why I want to get shot.
Video her, put it on YouTube and make people see so she get gunshot. What the boy will live with her? I'll deport the boy. What's name again? Must to tell you. The man was.
Okay, boom, theorists, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set with bliss. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beating. As you can see upon the screen, internet sensation Ivany is responding to triple live that she did with her man, saying that him got dash away like all them they tried doing at Jamaica that time a few years ago. And now she's going to report this matters to her immigration officers and police in Miami, where these people are located at the moment. He said because they are illegal aliens and they're not allowed to be in possessions with weapons and committing terroristic acts. People putting out the comment section where you think about that, because I'm not gonna lie, it gets spicy. You see what I said? So that's like, and share the video from now, and let's hear what go on for not to go on the Zoom.
And then I asked her for no money, that hurt me. Who then they agree with and they chat me and they bring me down? Them not ask them for no money. Rosealee, Ivany, she come make video for me again, come start for me again, come bring me in a Rosealee tour. I'll type of sitting.
What's that Ivany get shot and get that Palsy? So I get a Jamaica run.
I'll type of sitting.
What's that Ivany get shot and get that Palsy? So I get a Jamaica run.
When I say last part, see Jamaica, come on ask Batman solitary if him a bad man. Or if you can pull gun pa me, cause man a fuck you know. You know, see Triple is a man herself. Batman, you see me at the party, why you never step to me? You know, Batman in a real life. Triple pussy shit up. No make it have a gun, no make me have to rake up my blood clot Vybz. You could have done me no a pussy. You see me a fish fry, one bag of Batman. Why you never step to me? Majority of the time, ice never in my hand. Batman solitary or whatever your name. Why you never step to me? And since you're so bad, you have guns, pan guns. Why you never step to me? I want a me and a thousands of uno come a one fish fry and each up in a corner. Me not even did soon I want to see me. Why you never step to me? You can't shoot my pussy. Go shoot thinking triple big pussy where I shot. You know, see Triple look like a big blood clot transgender. Young green girl look like she in her blood clot 70s. This a big teeth and big gum gorilla looking dirty girl can argue with me. Your woman don't ever look good. Lean hip Triple. What do your body? You lean like a wall. Big teeth. Wanna be the Americanese them. You can't chat to me. I be a Batman Triple walk and fuck and have in her circle. No one can run put me. You can't shoot me. Take out gun and shoot who? You suck your mother solitary. Suck your deepest part of your mama. You're on Triple. Can't argue with me, but that's why I want to get shot. That's why I want to get shot. One of the Americans still can't hold no legal gun. You can't walk about in a no state and have legal gun by your blood clot where by your waist like you're a bad man. No, if you hide gun in your apartment or in your house. You can't walk with no gun. As legal as you be over here. You can't chat to me. You can't step to me, Batman. I'm going to go save that video, yeah. Remember Triple scammer, you know? Triple and Norman, them a big top scammer in America. Big top scammer in Miami. Me know no look a dirty secret. Me know no look a dirty secret. A big top banger. Please no ramp with me. Do not ramp with me, cause me find triple address and make police have to leak out up there. No, please don't go there with me. I may save that video, yeah. But me make video for you. Scale this guy. I make video for you. Which part me say I make video for Big T triple? You can't come on my page, nasty girl. You can't come cross on my page. Where me make video for you? Where me make video for you and post on which page? I made a live attack. Suck your mother and come off of this. And solitary go suck out your deepest part of your mother too. And moderator block all of them girls off of my page. Me not laughing. Block them. And the people that must send me the video thanks. Cause me a report she and her man. And I know people who know him. Cause kill him dead, me no know who him be. Kill him dead, me no know who him be. And me a shave you. And me a report to one. To one. Save that video, yeah. Oh, that's why Ivany get shot in her ass. Whenever you shot me, though, because you can't shot me. You know, claim to say you know a top class girl and all triple do come on the internet and beg. You go like you're mighty. And you're up on top of the world with people. You go like you're that girl. You go like you're rich and you're this and you're that. You go like you're rich and you're that, but you still a beg me. I go report you say you want to shoot me. Triple man, solitary. But that's why I get shot at Jamaica, and if me did at Jamaica, I'm going to bring this to my ICE officer. Make sure I send this to my immigration officer right now. I mean, I can't go down to the station. I mean, I come to Miami in 2 weeks. I'm going to go down to the station and report to you. I'm save that video, yeah.
Come on, me, you know me a station.
This is threat. You're sending a threat that you will shoot me. Solitary, I send threat to me, say I'm going to shoot me. And I'm going to report to you.
Come stay with me, baby. Me a station myself, you know. You know, I say I'm the security.
And I dare you to shoot me triple in America. Yes. I dare you. And I hope somebody, I not even who know, but I hope somebody else would have come shoot me for true. So it can fall right upon Uno, because you send threat to me, yeah, your man.
Baby.
Solitary stationary, whatever I want name. I
baby,
pray somebody else would have come shoot me for true.
Put down that
so that in America, it can take up for me a serious charge. I hope somebody else do it or just shut off of me or do something so you can pay the consequences for it, because a year man threatened me a while ago say about shoot. Alright.
Baby, you know that straw is not good for you. Straw. Come try me up and start the straw.
I never sit down and make no video for you.
Baby, do you know that the straw is not good to chop? It's not good for you.
Me not in the pasta. I'm going to upload. I'm going to send this.
Baby, I don't want you to be stressing, you know?
Hey, I take care of my... Go on. Come back tomorrow.
Not run.
Come back tomorrow. A serious thing I go on right, so. I'm in a laughing. Send this to my immigration officer. I'm not no joke to them. You can't shoot me. You can't shoot me, sir. And all if it not happen now, all if it happen next year, 3 years from now, next year, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, 6 years from now, it could have happened how much years ago? It no matter. I still have that video, yeah. How would the girl listen?
So be can't bother with the bag of upper. Me just black. No somebody cause me in a comment section when me look on their name and check your message. They might ask me for some help to start if they can get a little starter with some money to start your business. You see though? That's why I'm afraid to give people money though. And yet me still fucking do it. And then I ask her for no money, you know, that hurt me. Who then they
Oh, you know them not ask for dog shit.
Them not ask them for no money.
Now you give them.
She come video for me again, go start for me again, come bring me a Rosealee tour. I'll take a sitting.
I say I'm going to get shot and kidnapped for them. So I'm going to Jamaica.
Sir Jamaica, your badness there, sir. Sir Jamaica alone, your badness there. There you gun them alone legal, though. But go get a picture of Triple Man face. Anybody know Triple Man? Anybody know Triple Man? Send me a picture of him face. Anybody know Triple Man? Me go get the picture of Pitney them. She, our man, our mother, the whole family me I send out to them want to kill me. Everybody know having pictures, send it to them, and anybody within them circle, send it to me. I'm going to report you guys for terroristic threat. In face over here already. Send it to me, yeah, send it to me. You're too old, Tyler. You can't get for beat me, you want to kill me. Nobody never stop you from beat me, girl. You see me at the fish fry, why you never step to me? Cause it look like say you did really want to fight. You put an impression like you never want to fight, but it look like me come at the fish fry, you could do me nothing. So up till now, it's still a itching in your skin. Up till now, it's itching in your skin. She talk about no Ivany make video for me, I put in a Rosealee passa. What video? I didn't make a video for you, talk and lie that you're not telling Rosealee the truth. Chat, the same thing what me did say before. This whole thing go on. I know the same thing I say again. The first thing when me did say, what a bomber clock, blow me alone, no? Nah, you know. The first thing me did say when me said, Triple not tell Rosealee what to do and she stop fake something she not tell Rosealee the right thing and Rosealee not have good people in our circle. Now the same thing me come say today. What me say different from what me did say before. The truth always hurt. The truth always hurt. You're not a good friend for true. You're not a good friend. Triple, you're careless. For somebody we have two girl pitney, you're a little bit of careless girl. You only worry about the money when you play with Rose. And for sure people say you can make money off a Rose and you not play much. All you worry about are the gift. Why me run you? Because I see through you fake. Big teeth and big gum, you fake. Remember me and Triple was friend and I see through and me run with Triple never run. Me just get up one day and run with her dirty blood clot because she a hypocrite. Today Rosealee Pitney them get take away. And the only thing you can come on live and address is talk about how CDA take them away, you know. I know me in the area say Rosealee is wrong to say what she said. That's why CDA take away the kids. You're not justifying why the kids them get take away. If the kids them alright, the only thing you don't feel live I talk about, I see why they don't like Rosealee. This have to be a 8. The only thing you're worried about is how CPS take them. Whether CPS did want to come for them at them yard, whether CPS did want to give Rosealee papers or what to take them, regardless, them did go take them. And you are your so-called bad man in America and nobody at Jamaica could stop the blood clot government from take them. You could stop. Moderator, the person who has a CDA, black them. Take them off my page. I can't take it down. Take them off. Black them. You could stop the system from take them away. You know want to come for the things to get money. You know some dirty people. You know wish all dead pound or picnic for get gift. Cause you I mean no say. I true Rosealee don't want AKEEM make sure want analyze our kids them. See AKEEM go look for her. Nobody never have to know say AKEEM come look for you. The boy not even tell me that same come look for you. The boy don't even tell the media same come look for you. The boy never go live and make everybody know same come look for you. The boy come look for you alone and come talk to you one away. And after the boy come look for you, dear, you sparkle. You're the happiest female in the world, knowing that your kids them in a CD. You're a dirty girl. Never ask you nothing black. You chat too much, leave. You're a dirty girl. As soon as the man come back in your life, as soon as the man come back in your life, you're happy to all Rosealee happy more ask her a question. The kids them inside, Shantu inside. She over big teeth and big gum. She get visa and she gonna fly over bestie. Drake's and them outside. Where kids them there, cause Rosealee, you happy like them come back. I true them come back make you happy. Or I true AKEEM come back make you happy. So true AKEEM come back and you happy and you remember about your kids them. They say you want AKEEM because you have opinion. What me I do with AKEEM? If me didn't want AKEEM, I could have AKEEM from a longer time. You think me that afraid to tell AKEEM some more AKEEM? If me want AKEEM, you think me that afraid to make a video and come out and tell you some more AKEEM, a Yankee man me love. A Yankee man me love. Me not like Jamaican man them. A Yankee man me love. So me don't know where I talk about. Yankee. I don't even see a Jamaican man right now who may have crush pan like or want to date. Yankee man me love. So me the blood clot you tell me say. Rosealee a dirty girl, dirty like the people them in her corner.
Baby, I can't treat me so.
Oh, maybe not foolishness with you, because you depend on different, you know.
No, me not clown you. Me not disappear.
If you're a dirty girl, our man can shoot me where. Me go ask Guzu if you know him. Me will text Guzu and say, Guzu, one of your friend them say them want to kill me if you know him.
Man, nah do that, bro. Nobody
Me
can
go
shoot
text
him.
Guzu. Me I text Guzu right now. Send me a picture. Me send Guzu, ask Guzu if him know him.
Tap about shoot. Nobody not shoot you.
And I missed the time said. And me I go send me I go report.
Me hear you again. Me hear.
Me I go report.
They recording me here.
Wait.
They recording me here.
Yeah, I'll go feed. I mean, I report them to the police.
Just black.
Oh, Tada.
No somebody class me in a comment section when me look on their name.
Send me on my Instagram.
Message. They might ask me for some help to start if they can get a little start.
Report her, triple. Me report her too.
They see do. That's why I'm afraid to give people money do. And yet we still fucking do it.
I'm gonna skip a video. I don't give a fuck if you want to skip a video, whoever name so.
And then I ask her for no money in that hurt me. Who then they agree with and they chat me and they bring me up. Them not ask them for no money. Wherever she come make video for me again, go stand for me again, come bring me a result to her. What type of setting?
I was saying I'm gonna get shot and keep that for them. So I get a Jamaica run.
Where will I do? I'll Jamaica bad stuff. And she'll laugh about it. Triple, if me get shot in America, you can't stay in America. You know your two chipmunks in. None of uno. A tear down for tear down. Me not ask you. A tear down for tear down. A Miami wanna live. And me I come to Miami next week and I'm reporting uno to the Miami police station. Triple and our man threatened to kill me. He shoot me the video. Okay, Instagram. Let me check it. And me I post up in picture tomorrow and put the voice note on it. Go check my Instagram if you want to send me in picture. Hold on.
No crutches, Tessa, let me drop me must rise. Rub up my chest with liquor. Church aisle. No, Ivany run me can't talk to her. Yo. You go keep me off her life. Me tell her. It was a foreign rich talk. Wow. Everybody send a rose. She gonna kick me off if me talk. Me not.
Him this with the big old gun in him hand. Me I go show. I chew me crop it out. I him this with the big old rifle in him hand chat. The man him friend. We have 2 guns in them hand. I am this. I him that chat. Somebody send me the picture I him that.
3 more rose people. 3 more rose.
Which one of them I him? The blue shirt. Okay, hold on. Let me go back go look. Can't remember me no know them. Wait. Him this with big rifle in them hand. Him this Alright. I'm glad the picture I get with the big guns them pan it too. Thank you. That's less. Less talking. You're gonna threaten me with big guns? Don't show Skipper. I don't even know who is Skipper. I don't even know who that person is.
You see it? And
them tell me say the first one I put up and what the first person I put up. Them say the first person I put up is not him. The one in the blue. I don't even know who it is. You know tell me say Skipper, I don't know who that person is. I don't know him look. The artist then trying to bust. Well, no, me know say this triple man will threaten me say he might shoot me. I'm reporting him. But that's why I have to run from Jamaica. So yeah, the police them need to know so the person will shoot me in Jamaica and threaten me again for kill me. So are you the shoot me in Jamaica? Oh, you nothing know Skipper. I don't know who the fuck is that. You want push me for know people. I don't know. I know a big artist, not little artist. I don't know nobody. I listen to them song. I know them from somewhere. I see them on my TV. I hear them on my radio. I see them on YouTube. I him shoot me at Jamaica and I him want shoot me again. Triple man, solitary, stationary, whatever. You know what I laugh? Solitary, stationary, whatever him name. Him says something about when me get shot at Jamaica and him will kill me. Him is the person, so now me know say a triple man shoot me in Jamaica and know him there in America and him a send threat to kill me over here. Good. Out of fear mouth it come from, it on record. And Triple is sitting there and laughing. Triple is sitting there and laughing. You mentioned my name with shootout. It loud and clear. Me have a record. Me just send it go give me immigration officer and I'm reporting y'all. Moderator, all these females saying block, stop, block them. I don't know them from nowhere. Block them off my page. Block them. Block all of them. Make them go over them side. Block them. Hear what me have to hear and me have my proof. Block them.
Ivan, listen to me. Let me talk. Y'all listen to me. Ivany.
Yeah.
Listen to me. And listen to me carefully. I'm me and your friend. I'm me and your par. Or you expect nobody not shoot you, bro. Top silence.
You can't shoot me. She only thing him can shot is a stick.
Man not shoot you, bro. Top silence, bro. Yes,
I only can shot him set. I him blood clot set.
I'm me and your connect, you know. You're good,
Make
bro.
it up as a man a shoot. I know a man from nowhere. All I hear me a cuss your dog. All I hear me a cuss the dog shit girl every day. Me call her man name. Me know her man
cuss
from
with Miss Stripper, but cuss with Miss Stripper, but not call it dog.
Pick on man. Move your blood clot and
cuss with Miss Stripper.
Fuck out to no man no come back on this. Well on a batty man. Move and go. Cause man want kill you and squash you and murder for your blood clot too. Go suck out to no man and come off of my life. Me dey for my blood clot life. Me so no. You afraid of them, me not afraid of them. You know them look a secret. Them can't do me nothing in America. And if you don't do me something, police are raid triple yard. Yeah, fuck bad man, you think you're bigger than the program? You think you think Triple and her man bigger than the program? All the days of the life when me I go protect on a dirty mama cloth and come off of this. Get off. She have to promise me that shot. They promise me that. And I pray it come true. I pray it come true. I pray me go up on one of my bookings and one to shoot off of me. Can me have it prove yes so. And me have triple face tonight I laugh. So I pray it happen. Like I really want it to happen. Since she's that girl and her man is that man. Make it happen. I remember when me go got the fish fry, you say me woulda feel hands that are not mine from your man. Me woulda feel hands that are not mine, so you bring one bag of man. All of these things I have them. Who the fuck gonna think on is? When me and Triple tear down, you mention her man, me know something about her man for talk about her man. A woman's strength to not have. Because so much man want to the head out a road and you can't even say hey or fe. You can't even go up on certain lane, you can't even walk certain place or drive certain place and I see Miami there. But a woman's strength to not have. Woman's strength to not have. Woman strength to not have. One if you have man strength to not have man strength. A woman strength to not have. But me tell you this big good dirty stinking girl. You can't do me nothing in America. Just like I tell you, you could touch me a fish fry, you can't touch me anywhere else. You're a careless woman, like a careless big back wheel friend. I get him picture them now. I put him up tomorrow from my page and tell the people them say they want to kill me. I am this.
Who that?
Triple man we want to shoot me in Jamaica and we want to kill me over here.
Jesus Christ.
See him there?
Cat, this man look good. We're trying getting at the ranking.
See him there?
Watch your Barney show it with my picture side of him.
See him there?
Jesus Christ, I can't believe them, man.
See him there? With a big rifle side there. Him shoot me. And him want to kill me again. See him there? See him there always have rifle.
So you want to tell me say I saw this serious? This get like this?
I am going to report it. I mean I show the police them the big gun them what them have.
Jesus.
That's Triple's man.
What a thing.
Yeah, and if you want to check out what Miss Triple said, that triggered this and you can swing pan the Boom Bye Bye news channel, because Ivany says she's a fake friend for not comforting Rosealee, but she did the apps I get gifts out for the girl, demise. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest. Bless.